Today, I'm packing up art kits to go to my students in the Sew Felted Kitty Cat Finger Puppet Friends class on Outschool. They are getting tons of awesome materials. This class was requested by children in my class that's called Kitty Cat Camp. And in this class, we are going to actually create 2 precious little kitty cat finger puppets. This is a really simple project, but there's actually so many skills that the kids learn. They learn how to thread a needle, they learn how to tie a knot, they learn how to draw with thread, embroidery, they learn needle felting, and they learn how to sew. And then they end up with these precious little finger puppets that they can play with. So it's very engaging, and it's small, so it's simple, but there's so many skills embedded into this project. So I've packed these little boxes with a lot of love. I tried to create a little art care package that when they open, they will be so excited to create and so motivated to learn. If you have kids who have interests that they would like to explore this summer, I highly encourage you to check out the Outschool platform. I'm just one of thousands of teachers on this platform, and you can learn about anything. And these classes are held over Zoom. There's just about any class that you can imagine, and if it's not already listed, you can request it, and they send out emails to teachers every week of different topics that kids and parents have requested. Teachers will actually design and create classes just for you. I love this platform because it is really about learning. It's not about the grade, it's just about exploring kids' interests and developing their talents. I will put a link in the little comment section below. You can click on that, and I think you get some kind of a little discount if you use it. If you're a teacher, you can use the same exact link, and you can apply to teach on this platform.